Hey everyone. So today I want to share something that has completely changed how I approach my life, how I plan my week for maximum productivity. Let's be real, most of us start the week with good intention. We say things like, this week I will finally get back to the gym. I will finish that assignment early. I will eat healthy food, maybe even start the side hustle. But by Wednesday, boom, life takes over, emails pile up, unexpected stuff happens, and suddenly it's Friday, and you're asking yourself, where did the week go? I used to live like that, always busy but not really moving forward until I figured out a week planning system that actually works. And the best part, it doesn't take hours. In this video, I'm going to walk through you 8-step system for planning a productivity week. I will share not just the steps but also the mindset shifts, the mistake I used to make and how I fixed them. By the end of the video, you will have clear practical routine you can copy and make your own. So grab a notebook, planner, or even open up Google Calendar because we are diving deep in today. And hey, if you're new here and this channel is all about productivity, money, and personal growth, so if sounds like your vibe, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Step 1, reflect on the past week. Step 1 is always reflection, and I cannot stress this enough. If you skip this, you will keep repeating the same mistakes over and over again. Here's what I do. I take few minutes every Sunday and ask myself three questions. 1, what went well last week? 2, what didn't go so well? And 3, what can I do better this week? For example, last week I nailed my university assignments, but I totally skipped two workouts. Why? Because I scheduled them too late in the evenings when I was already tired. That tells me next week I need to try earlier gym session. Sometimes I'll notice patterns like maybe I'm always most productive on Monday mornings, but Fridays are disaster. Knowing that, I'll save heavy work on earlier in the week and keep Fridays lighter. The reflection step is like looking at the map before you start driving. It shows you where you are going wrong so you don't waste another week going in circles. Step 2, review big picture goals. Next, I zoom out. I always ask, what are my big picture goals right now? It's so easy to spend your whole week just reacting, answering emails, handling whatever feels urgent. But that's not how you actually build your life you want. For me, right now, my big goals are doing well in my university courses, growing this YouTube channel, and building my savings and investments. Every week, I check in with this. I ask, what can I do this week that will bring me closer to these goals? For example, to grow on YouTube, I need to film, edit, and upload at least one video. That becomes part of my weekly plan. To save money, maybe I review my budget and transfer a set amount of money to my investment account. When you plan with your goals in mind, your week suddenly feels purposeful. You're just not being busy, you're being productive in the areas that actually matter to your future. Number 3, brain dump everything. After I have got my goals in my mind, I clear my head with full brain dump. I grab a notebook or open Notion and write down literally everything I need to do: school tasks, groceries, calls, even little reminders like book haircut or send email. Or it could be anything. The point is not to organize it yet, it's just to get out of my head. Your brain is amazing at generating ideas, but it's terrible at storing them. If you're constantly trying to remember everything, you will feel stressed and scattered. Once it's all written down, your brain can finally relax. You don't have to keep spinning those mental plates anymore. It's like cleaning up your desk before starting work. You clear the clutter so you can focus. Number 4, prioritize using the big three goals. Now, I have got this giant mess list. It's time to prioritize. Here's the mistake most people make: they try to do everything, but when you focus on everything, you actually accomplish nothing. So, I use the big three method. Each week, I chose three main priorities. These are my non negotiable. If I get those done, I can call this week success even if nothing else happens. For example, this week my three bigger finish and submit my math assignment, film and edit this video, hit the gym 3 times. Notice these are specific and measurable, not bag. Work on assignment is a bag. Finish and submit assignments by Thursday is clear. The beauty of the big three is that it keeps me focused. I might still do 20 smaller tasks during the week, but as long as I hit my big three, I know I made real progress. Step 5, time blocking and scheduling. Here's where the planning becomes real. I take those priorities and actually schedule them. I don't just keep a to do list, I block them into my calendar hour by hour. I use Google Calendar, but you can use anything you can want. I create blocks for deep work session in morning for school or big projects, content creation in afternoon, gym session in evening, and yes, even rest, meals, and family time. Why time blocking works is because it forces you to face reality. When you try to schedule everything, you realize, wow, I don't actually have time for 20 tasks. You have to prioritize. And I always add buffer time. For example, if I think a task will take an hour, I will block out 90 minutes because life happens. Things takes longer, and this is where I don't fall behind. When I started doing this, my weeks went from chaotic to structured. I wasn't constantly scrambling. I knew exactly when I would work, when I would rest, and when I would play. Step 6, daily check ins. Weekly planning is powerful, but here's the catch. If you don't check in daily, you will fall off track. So every night before bed, I spend 5 minutes looking at tomorrow. I check my clear calendar, see what's coming up, and ask what's my most important task tomorrow. This makes my morning so much smoother. I don't waste time deciding what to do. I wake up already knowing my mission. And if something unexpected comes up during this week, no problem. I just adjust my schedule at night for the next day. Step 7, balance work plus life. This step is huge. Planning your week isn't just about work, it's about life. If you only schedule tasks and grind all week, you will burn out. So I also schedule fun, rest, and downtime. That might mean blocking out Friday night for a movie or Sunday afternoon for a work or gym session 3 times a week. It sounds counterintuitive, but the more I plan my fun and rest, the more productive I am at work because I'm recharged. Remember, productivity is about working smarter, not just harder. Step 8, stick to it but be flexible. Finally, the mindset piece, stick to your plan but don't treat it like a prison. Life is unpredictable, things will come up. Instead of throwing out your plan when something changes, just adjust it. Your calendar is living your document. It's meant to guide you, not trap you. And here's my rule, as long as I complete my big three priorities, I consider the week a win because consistency beats perfection. That's my full system for planning a week of maximum productivity. Quick recap: 1. Reflect on the past week. 2. Review your week goals. 3. Brain dump everything. 4. Pick your week 3. 5. Time blocks and schedule. 6. Do daily check ins. 7. Balance work and life. 8. Stay flexible. Try this for 1 week, and I guarantee you will feel more organized, less stressed, and more in control of your life. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you're the new here, subscribe for more productivity, money, and personal growth tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.